3 easy steps and 1 bonus tool on how to deal with anxiety and stress. Anxiety and stress have creeped into our life without our permission and are sustaining because we are not aware until it is too late. Both create hardship, trouble, and tension. In general, there is a constant feeling of pressure, restlessness, and discomfort. Are you ready to take charge of yourself and banish anxiety and stress forever? Yes. This mental health self-help guide will explain its onset, duration, and ways to eliminate anxiety and stress in 3 easy steps. Continue to watch this video till the end, and I'm going to give you 1 bonus tool. Hello friends, I'm Dr. Falguni Jani, working as a counselor in integral psychotherapy. I have worked for 25 years as a school counselor for students, teachers, and parents. I have conducted workshops for adolescents regarding guidance in career and managing relationships. I have also collaborated with psychiatrists to help patients suffering from various mental illnesses like depression, stress, aggression, suicidal tendencies, fear and panic attacks, etc. Before we get into 3 easy steps on how to deal with anxiety and stress, you must understand a few things about them. Anxiety is a fearful anticipation of an unpleasant event in the future. It is intangible because anxiety arises out of one's perception of a life-threatening situation. For example, the prospect of failing in a competitive exam, not meeting targets, being rebuked by the boss, anticipating breakup in relationship due to a minor argument, misinterpreting a small boil or bruise in the body for a serious illness, or anticipating lonely life after the death of the spouse or partner. Stress is caused by changes in various factors that constitute our life. For example, the body experiences changes in a new climate, weather, environment. The mind tries to cope up with the new situation in the family, neighborhood, or workplace. Or there is an accident, serious illness, or death in the family of a near and dear person. In short, stress is caused by the person's response to a stimulus from the internal or external environment. I can perfectly understand what is happening to you during stress and anxiety because I saw my neighbor struggling with it. Are you feeling these symptoms? Like butterflies in the stomach, stomachache and digestive problems, breathlessness, constant unease, restlessness and nervousness, thinking of the stressful event that has occurred or anticipating the worst to happen, loss of appetite, headache, neck and back pain, lack of concentration, calling a friend and talking about the stressful event? Feeling of weakness and tiredness during the day? Not getting sleep till late in the night? Absence of freshness and energy in the morning? Do you feel the situation is overwhelming? Do you feel like running away from the present place? Well, if you are having at least 5 of the above experiences, then you should immediately help yourself by going through the entire video, which will give you a complete scientific understanding of your problem and 3 easy steps on how to deal with anxiety and stress. Keep watching till the end of this video to get the bonus tool. Now, listen to me carefully. Do you know what happens when anxiety and stress are not managed within a short time? Let us look at the biological consequences of stress and anxiety in our body and mind. First, anxiety and stress affects our autonomic nervous system that comprises our sympathetic and parasympathetic division, which have opposite actions on various organs, but work together for our benefit. But under stress, they get disturbed. As a result, there is increased mental activity, rise in blood pressure, higher pulse rate, and increased cellular metabolism. In practical terms, these changes bring down positive feelings, food intake becomes less, and sex drive also decrease. Second, anxiety and stress affects our endocrine system that is concerned with secretions of hormones that are responsible for growth. There is also an increased activity of adrenaline and secretion of large amounts of active hormone cortisol. As a result, the physiology of the body is severely damaged and results in an increase in body weight in some persons because one eats more for distraction from the pressure of stress, while others lose weight. Overall, one feels fatigue, loss of energy, and tiredness at all times. Thirdly, the skeletal system gets affected in anxiety and stress because there is increased tension in the skeletal muscles. That is why a person in stress feels pain in the body. I am now sure that you are ready to help yourself with this mental health self-help guide to deal with anxiety and stress. So, let us begin our 3 easy steps on how to deal with anxiety and stress. Step 1. Take a pause. As soon as you feel the pressure in the head or uneasiness in the stomach, immediately sit down and breathe. Slowly inhale and exhale for 5 minutes. Then have a glass of water. After 2 minutes, call a friend or anyone close to you and share the problem. The important thing is to listen to the advice and not get into a loop of the same problem over and over. Follow the advice sincerely and take some rest. Step 2. Mental work. Prioritize your work. Organize your routine. Write down a list of urgent and semi-urgent works. Daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. Every morning, prepare a list of things to do during the day. Put your best effort in doing the work. Remember, the result of your work is not in your hands. Hence, stop worrying. Only the present moment is in your control. Don't let thoughts of the future create disturbance in your mind. Such negative anticipations will only suck your energy. Remember, you cannot deal with situations that are still in your mind. You have full control of the present moment. You are most powerful in the now. Make the right choice in a clear and peaceful mind. At this moment, you are creating your future by working sincerely and paying attention to the task. Remember that you are the author of the script of your life. Therefore, be in the present moment. The peace of your mind will create your next future. Step 3. Physical work. Go for a walk or jogging, rock climbing or dancing. A regular practice will lower the stress hormones and release endorphins that help in elevating your mood. Another benefit of the above is the improvement in sleep quality and reduction in negative thoughts. Third benefit is that it boosts your morale, enhances your confidence, and your creativity. Fourth benefit is a sense of well-being, accompanied by a feeling of power and strength to face challenges. Fifth benefit is that even in the midst of work, there is peace and joy in the background, which helps in maintaining good relations and gaining cooperation from all around you. Now you have your 3 easy steps on how to deal with anxiety and stress. I'm happy that you are still watching this video. Hence, it's time for you to get your bonus tool. Anxiety and Stress Affirmation Tool. Affirmation has a profound impact on your subconscious mind. When you repeat a positive thought with deep feelings and positive emotions, it reaches the subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is a powerhouse which then influences your conscious mind and creates new habit patterns. Hence, here is your powerful affirmation which comes as a first aid emergency mental medicine when you have an anxiety stress attack. I am cool and calm. Yes, repeat this affirmation 100 times a day and see the magic. I am cool and calm. For your convenience, we have recorded this affirmation with music therapy, including double induction, 528 Hz frequency, which influences your subconscious mind. Download this anxiety stress affirmation tool from the link given in the description. To get a better result from this anxiety stress affirmation tool, make sure you listen to this recorded affirmation 3 times a day. First time in the morning when you begin your day, second time in the afternoon, and third time at night before sleeping. When listening to this affirmation, make sure you wear headphones with 2 to 3 points low volume. A word of caution for you. Do not listen to this recorded affirmation while traveling, as it incorporates music therapy, which calms down the mind and relaxes the brain. Continue this practice for at least 30 to 45 days, and you will experience a magical protection shield against every situation which creates stress and anxiety. So now, you have 3 easy steps and 1 bonus tool on how to deal with anxiety and stress. Email me your experiences about how you felt after implementing these 3 easy steps and 1 bonus tool on how to deal with anxiety and stress. My email ID is given in the description box below. Make sure to download the bonus tool affirmation for better results. I pray for your well-being.